It's the moments that actually change the game. And you know why I say this all the time? I would always repeat. No land born or share. Na dancing your bottle train.
The ball no share
At 3-2. Nyote 90 plus 6 man here 2-2. Na that chance was more difficult to score because number no barino.
Yes.
Nemo near back vine ko boma keeper ya on tap in a obobo side net na no memory.
Oh, okay.
Na osay sa ball ni wie ya na ball no ball crossbar Petkovic na Malaysia ko try a penalty in a dead in Modric. Now the game showed two things: a stable squad and team are rebuilding with an old guard around it. And a team that is in transition but need quality all over the field. Holland and our Netherlands pejano. We almost spine now. Kweku. Minsura na can say it was clearly Van Dijk, Wijnaldum, and Depay. Wijnaldum, Depay, Van Dijk. Team now, Ronald Koeman build the Uja Hoko Barcelona. That was in the spine. On final to lose to Portugal in the inaugural edition.
Yes.
Good. So I'm confirming and sending you Obienya ACL since then.
Confirm me and sending you.
Obienya
ACL. Prano. Is that one thing no swati?
And no more saying any.
Nini swaba.
Yeah. So it makes it difficult for you to gauge them. And and develop it to a level that they expect somebody to develop it. Stefan De Vrij, when you know.
Yes.
Good. Julian Timber. Oh.
Don't have enough.
Exactly. I would free her call Juventus by Germany. Even at the national team level.
Atta delete.
In Oban Finfinwa. Frankie de Jong has not been able to do what Wijnaldum was doing in that midfield.
Yes.
Wijnaldum on share goals be our club side, but our core Netherlands no more bonnet said Gadavit, and he was giving them goals. But the barometer for me was Luka Modric or the marker to her. Na oye ni jumaye ni ye. And even though when you could clearly see so on an air bobo on the mom or park no so no same coaching. Timika said a team in transition. I only love Romaya, Borna Sosa, Ivanusic. There are new players in the Croatian team. First, Croatia at the back four, no Toa. Strinic, left back. Centre backs, no. Domahoy Vida, and Lovren. Omufri World Cup, never European Championship. They call the last World Cup. Lovren, bo. Banya Domahoy Vida, and an enable. Adani. He has a new partner. So our partner, no mobile European Championship, no friend Josco Guardiola, the left back,
yes,
and Obo centre back. And clearly, Utimi who say, Lovren also has run his race.
Yeah.
Tell someone didn't perform froba. But Omo ya Ivan Strinic any hobby. Borna Sosa and Ebo baby na Ivan Strinic Ebon. Goalkeeper. They had a very good goalkeeper. No, that go El Monaco. Go free ho. Daniel Livakovic. And Ababeshan and I.
Number 2
Subasic in ho. Livakovic Aba. Number 2 no.
Simi Vasako.
Only ho. Look, so what you say? Zlatko Dalic changes our team. Name engine, the midfield engine on Kan Bibre. Ivan Perisic on the left, Brozovic at some point somewhere, Modric Nankasa, and then Chelsea's Kovacic.
Yeah.
Omo and Neso Lovro Mayemo, and then Mario Pasalic mo, and Sa, and Omonio Ebo. Into Croatia are rebuilding, but we are not seeing it because there is quality still around them. But Netherlands quality no, fem. In terms without the pie, which was a monim honum, Donya Marlin, Bergvine, Noah Land, or Munia Hodia, or Mudiba organize the game. But then it was a masterclass, especially say the Cape near final stadium. Now Holland Asher first, no Matiashe, Holland Abeti. Into 90 pluses, they were saying Croatia for na Bemubu. By your extra time, no, you were the first to score through Bruno Petkovic. So clearly, you could see a lot has changed. And then Yami Adma, Italy and Spain and a airball. Now, so much name say Adi here Spain to see De La Fuente any team the problem or one who is the number 9. Area Semre Ninkaso. Tina Nano me too for the area so you be now pikia. Monetize it. The Hunye Jueni when you are at the very top. Enjoy every bit of it because we need much nasem. And the reason why I make that reference most often than no Kwekuni say a bit me aba. So wa nanka sikanya onen ene sikena ene efrel because we need be now from the year 2000 Ebano Spain no more excellent offensive midfielders. I repeat, excellent. Ruben Baraja, David Albelda, Guti, Bodino. Massa, na bakubi wo. Satim na there was one Diego Tristan team no.
Deportivo.
Na midfielder bi. Iniesta Cranfano.
Valeron.
Juan Pablo Valeron. Massa. Offensive midfielders. And as our offensive midfielders nina guys come in theater.
Yeah, Mendiata.
Oh, Massa Jai. Baby Abekobia na Bilbao for no so captain bisa. Kwaku Jai. Onu su nim bopa. But okay anymore. Hokra na ne hunu. Number 9 for. Na ba ko Celta Vigo friend Jose Marie. Oko AC Milan.
Marie, yeah.
And then na ba ko say friend Javi Moreno. Liverpool ni Alaves no say a top striker. And then Raul Afefe, Morientes Afefe. Barcelona they no mundi because na Holland for no, and Brazil for no, and then they lead the attack now. But moving into the year 2000s Nekono, Fernando Torres by. Then you also saw the Oba Barcelona by in the Jumadeno 7 years. Via. Then there was a top scorer. Torres, any Via put in it. Top
Danny Giza.
Giza. No, so Mayoka. Inti Omo FFA kono, no mbo two top.
Yes.
I told him some for no to mbo false 9. In 2008, you know, depending on the opposition, on bet Mama Obi, no abejo. Inti enyo muna. And no more time I'm picky and no more junior man. These strikers were there, not Torres the bench.
Yeah.
Torres not the bench at some point. In 2010, Cadams and Webra. Euro 2012, no a top scorer. In Tinen Yomona, but in Spain are choosing between Alvaro Morata and Joselu Mato. Yem. And obviously because Joselu you are relegating the 2 times. Onyade Biamro.
Yes, strike I don't know.
And no no time or ball Papa near Real Madrid B.
But it's a Zako Falaba. Joselu. I out this over.
Let me say we.
I feel a shame.
16 goals. 16.
Joselu.
16.
Oba did they?
Se Joselu Mato no ya. Player on no Italian. Alvaro Morata on no nebebo. And all these guys are past their 30.
But that need a hard you.
Good.
I'm maybe a tram no more. And when you be crab Busumana, Ogayo be boy vedo be by. Oh, Fernando Llorente.
Llorente out bench. Massa out bench. Oh, no more produce strikers. But bench. Na Barcelona for no so wa crack to be. Abel Torres or say Abel Bibi. Ono so
that small guy.
In fact, so but and then they are playing against an Italian team. Even without Bastoni Kweku, they know how to defend and defend properly. You know, but it's a game Italy. A bit more control Spain because Spain in the proper number 9. Jack in the park, Fox in the box. And Italy for no yes because they would be able to control you. And then they have midfield quality. Even though Spain or midfield quality, no, Rodrigo, but Italy have a midfield. Fratesi mbiti mino wa bono. Lorenzo Pellegrini mbiti mino wa bo because omujo muhudi. The officer solo coach Juventus, no, he's not had it so well. Manuel Locatelli, but he's a good player. And they beat them in the European Championship.
Yes.
This is just our trophy. near Portugal here no so be. They are controlling all the European trophies now at senior national team level. And I see that, and then you may a very close game, and then Italy is going to win in regulation time. Now me hear European under 21 ne beba so enchebia. I think it's on the 21st. Me hear Spain for no camp preparations. Now me who an interview with Gabriel Viega. I think he's a player everybody wants now. Real Madrid, Barcelona. Na Kokuti se ne okasa na hwe ne composure no.
En ti otros equipos que no han llamado todavía a la puerta. Gracias.
Bueno, ahora mismo no estoy pensando en mi futuro, quiero vivir el presente, que el presente es en la selección.
Si Bellingham cuesta 100 millones, le ha costado al Madrid 100 millones más variables, ¿cuánto vale Gabri Veiga en este mercado?
Bueno, eso creo que no es una pregunta que te pueda responder yo. Cada jugador vale lo que pague cada equipo.
Yo quería saber si a ti te consta que el Madrid ha preguntado por ti.
Bueno, como dije antes, ya creo que estoy aquí con la selección, centrado en un reto muy bonito como es el europeo.
Bueno.
The first one was about how does he feel now? He feels very good. Opoku Real Madrid. I say, please. I'm here focused on the national team. That's what I'm doing. It's nice and it's as beautiful as playing in Europe. I want to live in the present and represent my country, not to talk about my future. Many with the Spanish football culture home come up be off air cry. I am catching say opening your body. Now omun na ekro de beje pass any the omo de be pass is something that sets them apart. But Adeba ko sign setting apart. Hey, how intelligent they are. Yeah, omo kasa omo ni nyansa krasen omo fie no omodi no. Pressure on so power.
Yes.
Because release clause ni so obi abitima trigger 40 million. But personal terms wa on the be agree no. Wo na obebo amount. Nti no mo expect no so no ha na wa ba no. Na ni je nyina ne so obo ball de amane man kwaku. I've seen European national team summer camp. Where's any friend no? Summer camps, football summer camps or call. Kwaku a year or more who bia. But now be kofi na ne mama ne papa kra to hosu.
Munyaje.
Look, when they represent their nation, it means a lot to them. And I've been listening to him in recent times, ever since season Iberia and trying to. So run a dream, I cry on a Santi Cazola difference shedding when he's talking. So I dream mu da hopa no Kenyans asem. And Spain dominated. Ramon Monkey, a former player at the Sevilla. Monchi,
a former player.
Oh, a goalkeeper. Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Obo Sevilla Nankasa. And one of the greatest servants for the club as a sporting director. Na enyemi was Aston Villa for ne peno. Unai Emery 2015-16 year now share Liverpool AJ Europa League final no. El Sanyeko Park El Bile no. Kwaku na Ramon Monkey na sporting director.
Oh, okay.
Oni na ye adwuma che. Onim no pa. Oye na damfo. Alemani no. Oni ni ye adwuma. El Valentia. Villarreal crown and say no any personal assistant. Inti Matthew Alemani nso ye obi ano nim no. Ti say okọ na we nya ene obekọ na damfo we ho. No akobisa say kwan da wa na. Menya sure say Ramon Monchi obetima ye bibi fufuro bi e o Sevilla bobokunum. Sevilla nipa mi no omunsi omfom ba ko da prison friend Jose Maria Del Nido. No omo club president. Yeah. And then Ramon Monchi. Ramon Monchi dey be mpa na kwako obetima ye o Sevilla.
Job happy.
Exactly. But the problem is that anytime he branches out of Spain, he has no results in it. Oko Roma control ano hia no. Wenya. Nti ma na adwuma no eyedin. Aston Villa any English football. Kwaku football culture ne mu kire ne ya na edin. England omo nhye na nim sa sporting director sem na ni so sa o.
Omo nim na ni so.
European coaches ne ba na nsen no. And omo dia bewura ho.
But omo nim na ni so sa.
Until Pep Guardiola ba Manchester City no more sporting director.
David.
No, na chiki Begistan bi eni o.
Totogum sa.
No more ko. Jurgen Klopp ebeba no. Na Liverpool transfer committee. But no money sporting director. Last time they had one, na onye English. Damien Comolli.
Yes.
Comolli or French and about Tottenham. He worked with the European coaches, most of him. And say when yani hu nipa European coaches no eya omo mpe dadwen say player ekoto players on nko nagu omo mpe sa de no obey bibia na ofre player na ka chese Mr. Obebo mami. That's their job. But that manager title like the more England no neoma anka yo sporting director here no eno na ya no mo ye no emwa
the monkey na ebeboa pa
obeboa no because ha no benya control onya maye no omo hu baby a problem no nipa no mayi na frio.
Wow.
Your friend Christian Peslow mayi na frio because on no Liverpool in football operations on tiase the closest we got to a proper sporting director Arsenal David Dean. But not David Dean, chief executive officer.
Yeah.
I know him football mukakra. And he worked with who? An European coach.
Yeah. Matthias